should imagine it's something like that. Chappie's alright, she understands. She understands, yeah. Oh, Linda, oh, cheers, love. Yeah, buy me a coffee, yeah. Cheers. That's great, isn't it, there, John B? Had 4,000 watching. 4,000 watching little old me. Cheers, Linda. Appreciate that. Patricia in South Africa. Monica, thank you. Happy New Year, Patricia. Cheers, Monica. Still coming out, some planes. They're still on the way. Gerald, Frank from Navajo Nation, USA. Good afternoon, friend. It is 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon from a cold Manchester airport. You alright, Pete? It's quiet now, the car park. It's only in summertime, that. It's only in summer. Tito, good afternoon. Not yet, Jace. Cheers, Dave. I am Vanessa, thank you. Snow on the way. Right, Andy, South Carolina. Right, Leanne, take care, love. See you soon, love. You get a wave. Yoo-hoo! Kiwi! Wiggets! Oh, he's waving. And he had a good look as well. Oh, it has a good look. Cold, Jim JD. It's cold in Glasgow. Don't be doing that. It's loud as well, this one. Very, very loud. Oops. I haven't, Georgios, Kusios, not been to Skiathos. Not yet. I want to go. All the alarms are going off. It's here, Emma. Freezing. To New York. I know, Vanessa, it's great. A minute ago we had 4,000 watching. 4,000! I've seen it, Georgios. I've seen it. I'd love to go there. Morning, Philly. I know, 4,000, Ness, yeah? Unbelievable. Even the professionals don't get that. Oh, cheers, TA girl, TA Bowles. I thought they'd come to see me. Very kidding, mate. Yeah, my new hat and my Jack Jones jeans. Oh, cheers for that, Nessa. Thank you. Tito. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Right, Philly. Oh, good. Cheers for that. You got it now, John, right, yeah. Oh no, there's me thinking to come to see me. Table says, no, they went to see the A380, mate. Only kidding, mate, don't worry. Ooh, hang on, little Ryanair coming in. Here we go. Oh, have a look. Welcome, John. He's hovering. My pilot mate's not been on today, Nathan. Yoo-hoo! Get a wave. Lisa, 5 times a week, 5 days a week, from 1 p.m. Yoo-hoo! Cheers, I'm so low. $2,000 going up. 1 p.m. Right, Janet, Happy New Year, love, and I'll see you in the new year. Going to Dope High. Happy New Year, Surrender. And there's loads coming out yet. The queue's getting bigger. He's up. Right, Liz, you've been quiet, yeah? Wondered where you'd gone. Happy New Year and Solo in Oregon, the USA. We've got every part of the world. We've not got Alaska yet, but everywhere else. Got Japan, Kazakhstan. Shamsu, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I don't know what's going on. I don't say a word when I'm not here. I'm very, very quiet. Can't stop that. Don't sit next to me on a bus, or a train, or a plane. Sort your head off. I won't really. He's up. Everybody's flying off. I know. LH, yeah. Yeah, I don't say much. Up here, I don't know what takes over. I think me needs to get out more. Nicky Lauder Airlines, that was Nicky Lauder Airlines years ago. We got the soaps tonight. Anyone watch the soaps? They're on Emmerdale, Cara. That's a Carlos, Brazil. Bom dia. Both on through. I shouldn't watch them, they wind me up. All I do is scream at the telly, but still watch them. I'm not sure, Linda, about that. I think Ryanair own them or something like that. I'm sure it's Ryanair. Yeah, LH, yeah. Bit ridiculous at the moment, but it is so grand, don't forget. Right, Amelia, put your coat on, love, it's freezing. Ah, Gaz, impressed nothing. Right, Gaz. Bet you're busy, Gary, and all the pipes freezing that, the gas bottles. Happy New Year, Anita, in Aberdeen. All right, love. And Julie Farmery. Rebecca, I do. About, I'd say less than 10 minutes. Chilly down here, Anita. Don't know about up there. I know Scotland's getting a bit of snow and everything. Dave, possibly, yeah. You know, it's, yeah, why not? What day is it? Oh, it's Thursday. Might be, yeah. Why not? Happy New Year, Melissa. And Claudio Mendoza. See what the weather's like, Dave. Oh, it's Thursday tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah. Right, father and son. And Dante. All the best. It's nice, Matthew. You wouldn't think it's brass monkey weather. Quickest we have ever had. Okay, go. Happy New Year, mate. Matthew's in Australia, air conditioning on off. I can't imagine that. I can't imagine it. That cold. Pepperoni. Ciao. Carol, Virginia. Oh, South Virginia. Rod Japan in Nicaragua. Good afternoon and happy birthday. Happy birthday. I think my head's gone now. Happy New Year. That's who talking to you. Right, Marky boy. Happy New Year's Eve, mate. Got 30 messages yet, I can't read them. Yeah, Bob, in Central Virginia. We had to listen to it years ago, and he told my dad and that when I was kids. We had it on every New Year.